Okay, hey, guess what? This is a poster I made for every season. I have some photographers go out to the ice rink and take some pictures, unless I can take them myself, but gee whiz, I'm playing in the games, you know. But a couple times I might be injured or whatever. I try not to be, but you know. But anyway, there's some pictures of some teammates, and there's a calendar I made. Same exact thing you guys are doing. Here's a calendar. Here's another one I made for another guy on my team. So you see that's how it's going to look. You got to get a good picture, and you're good to go. But I'm going to do the demo now. Okay, so this is where we left off. You finished making a month with putting 99 and all the spots in here. Okay, so what I want to do at this point is go on to making the first month January. Okay, and I'm going to go to File, Save As. Well, first save it. You're going to save it. Thank you. And then you're going to go to File, Export, and you're going to export as a PDF for print in the same spot. Same thing, month template, your name, and it's saved. Okay, I'll replace it and then export it. Then you can just turn in the PDF and the InDesign file into Google Classroom. Now I want to make this one turn into January. So I'm going to go to File, Save As. I'm going to put January right in here before my name. January. So now I can turn this into January. I'm going to double click here and go January. And then each of these, because I know that January starts on the 1st. I mean, on the 1st, it starts on Saturday. Okay, I had a person first period. Accidentally, she went to this one in her calendar. She went to this one, and she thought that was what we're doing. She started on a Friday. She did all the numbers, and I checked her cal. She said, "How's it look?" I said, "Well, it looks good, except you got to start on Saturday. Make sure you're on 2022 for this for all your months. Check 2022. Make sure you're on the right one." Okay. So anyway, I'm going to take all these. I'm going to delete these out. It's going to double click. It's like I'm typing in there, but I'm going to get rid of them all. Okay. This one is going to be 1. Then that's how you do it. You go 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll just do this first line like that. And then you just do the rest of them like that. This is going to end up being 23 right here. Okay. And then 24. And then the rest of these accordingly. So you're going to end up with 30 and 31 down here. Okay? I'm going to show you how to fix those now. Because we're not doing 6 lines of numbers, we're doing 5. And these extra ones are going to be down here. Now watch how I do this. I'm going to get my black arrow button. I'm going to click on 23. Now I know that I pushed 23 down in the cell. I'm going to undo that. I'm going to go to Object, Text Frame Options, and remove the top from it like that. Put it back to where it was. Now this one, I'm going to take 23 and make it about half of its size. Yours might not be 45, depends on what font you used. But I'm going to take this down, you know, give or take about half of its size, in the 20s somewhere. That's good. Yeah, so I'm going to take that and take the corner of that and shrink it down. So there's my number. All right? And I'm going to copy it. Copy, Control-C, paste, Control-V. Take it, put it down over here. And this is going to be 30. So I'm going to take that and make it 30. So now I got 2 numbers there in smaller cells. And I need to put a line between them. So I'm going to take this line tool and just draw a line between it, like that. Right now mine is empty because it's at 0 as far as the size of it. I can put it at 1 or 2 or 3, whatever. You can see how it changes in the width, but I'm going to put it at maybe 2. Because I know this is going to be smaller still when I make them smaller, so that's how that goes. I want to look at it with the preview just to see how things look without the lines. I need to make some adjustments. I'm going to click on that line, maybe move it over a little bit like that. I can move it up. Just get it just right, because I don't want to do that again. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on 24. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to highlight just these. I'm going to copy them, paste them, and move these down into position. Whoops. Paste those. Make sure I get just what I want. Put these down into position just right. All right, and then these are going to end up being 24 and 31. In other words, I didn't do it all over again, because then my diagonal line might be different, It's identical, so then I can just do it like that. Now I can tell you, I think we checked. I think it was maybe July and October are going to have those also. So let's go down to July. Yeah, July has a 31. And then if I go to October, you got to do it again for October, 30 to 31. You don't have to do them again for those. All you got to do is go back to January and copy those, copy and paste them into October. You don't have to do it over. Just make them the same, like that. And then when you're done with January, you'd save it, export a PDF. Then you go back to your month template, file save as February. Do the same for February, file save as March, and et cetera, from the month template. The reason we use 99 instead of any other numbers in here for the month template is so that we don't accidentally get mixed up with what numbers we're on. There's no 99 in a month. That's why we use 99 for the template. All right, if you got a question on this, let me know. I'll come around and help you out. I want to hit stop on this now. Good luck, and let me know if you need help.